So you made over 100% in your Landa shares, and now you want to sell to lock in that juicy profit. So the next day you go and try to sell, and crickets. Weeks go by, months go by, and nothing. Nobody wants to buy your shares. What's going on? Auntie Raylan is here to help you. No introductions needed. In this video, I will show you how to sell Landa properties fast. To sell Landa properties fast, go into the Landa app and click the bottom icon with the 3 green bars. Scroll down to My Properties. For me, I like to take profits when my returns are 100%. Just note you will have to pay taxes on shares sold. Click on the property you want to sell. I want to sell 8645 Embry at 180% return. Note that this property is now worth $6.18 over my original buy price per share, as you can see in green. Once you've clicked on your property, look at the bottom green square. If it says sell at the bottom, click sell. Click set your price and type in the current average price displayed. Then press the bottom green button that says set price. Enter the number of shares you want to sell and click next. Note it may take a bit longer for these shares to sell because they are not currently trading on the open secondary market. These properties tend to be new, and the 10,000 shares that Landa divides each house into have not yet been purchased. If it says trade at the bottom, click property page, underlined next to the address. Scroll down to order book to see pending buy orders. Note, if you want to sell shares, there must be a buyer willing to pay the price you are asking for. Look at the buy orders column. There is currently a pending order to buy 14 shares at $7.37, and going down the list, there is a pending order to buy 74 shares at $5. If you want to sell your shares the fastest way possible, look at the top buy order first, which in my case is 14 shares at $7.37. Think of buy orders like an offer for your house. This is currently how much a buyer is willing to pay for your shares. Even though this won't give me a 180% return on my shares, I will receive over 100% return, which is exactly in my price target. Make sure you are okay with the offer. So now I know there is a buyer willing to pay $7.37 for a maximum of 14 shares. I'm only selling 1 share, but if I had more than 14 shares, I would create a few sell orders as needed. Click the top left arrow. Click the button at the bottom that says trade. Click sell. Click set your price underlined at the top. Enter the highest pending buy order. For me, that's $7.37. If you would like a higher return, type in the amount you are willing to sell your shares for. Creating a higher sell order means you may wait a very long time to sell your shares. Click Set Price at the bottom. Click the number of shares you want to sell. Click Next at the bottom and click Place Order. This should match you with a buyer quickly. Now let's look at my portfolio. Let's look at 3192 Lake, which I sold for 150% profit. I created a sell order and 2 days later it was sold. I also sold 8645 Embry for over 100% profit in 2 days as well. So now that you know how to sell properties on Landa fast, I hope this answered all of your questions. You left a lot of comments about this on my previous video about Landa and how I invested $20 in a month, and the comments really do help. I respond to all of your comments. And if you would like to see how to find the best properties in 2022 for Landa, I have a link in the description below for that video. You won't want to miss it because I got over 120% return on one of my properties. So as always, this is Supergirl Investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. And if you have any questions about Landa, please let me know in the comments below. Please like and please subscribe to this channel for more investing advice. Please be happy and healthy and wealthy. I want to see all parents in yachts by 2025. And if you would like to get started in the Landa app, I have a link in the description below where you can get 1 free share. Bye, future millionaires.